Hi, my name is Amar. Now in this video I will discuss how to perform internationalization in Flutter by using GetX. Let me show you the output first. As you can see here, there is a text widget and here I have taken 3 buttons. Now whenever I will click on Hindi, at that time this message will be displayed in Hindi. If I click on French, the message will be displayed in French, and when I click on English, at that time the message will be displayed in English. Now how to achieve this, that portion I will discuss. Okay. Now in the main.dart file, as you can see, there is a main method. In the main method, there is a runapp method which is calling the myapp widget. This myapp widget is extending the stateless widget, and in this class I have created the instance of the myController class. Now in the build method, there is a getMaterialApp, and in the translations property of getMaterialApp, I have used messages. Now this messages is not a predefined class. This is a class which has been created by me. Okay, let me move to this messages.dart. Here you can see the class messages is extending the translations class, and whenever you will extend the translations class, you need to override. Okay, now in the override, here you can see I have used different keys. Okay, now here for the first one, en_us, en is nothing but the language code, US is nothing but the country code, and here I have written hello, and the message, this is the key and this is the value. For this message, this will be displayed, for this key, this will be displayed. Similarly for hi_in, for this key, this message will be displayed, and for this key, this message will be displayed. So here as a key I have used hello, and for the key I have specified different values as per the language and the country code. Okay, for ENUS I have specified hello, for HIIN there is a namaskar, for French there is a bonjour. Okay, now again let me move to main.dart. Now here we have a local property. In the local property we need to specify by default when the app will be launched, in which language the message will be displayed. Okay, to specify that we can use local, and here we specified the language code and the country code. This means by default it will be displayed in English. Okay, if you want to retrieve the device local, then we can use the method device local provided by GetX. We can write get.deviceLocal, then by default the local which is set for your device, that will be retrieved, and that will be your default local. Okay, now if you are choosing a local which is not present, then this fallback local will be called, and in the fallback local also I have specified as EN and US. Okay, now in the title I have specified internationalization. In the home there is a scaffold widget. In the app bar I have specified the title as internationalization. In the body I have used the center widget. As a child of the center widget I have taken a column widget, and as a children of the column widget I have taken a text widget. Now in the text widget, as you can see here, I have used the key. The key is hello. Okay, here I have used the key, and after the key you need to use .tr. Okay, now in the style we have set the text style as font size 25 and the color as purple. Now I have created a raised button. In the raised button the text I have specified as Hindi. In the on praised I am calling the change language method which has been defined in the myController class, and while calling the change language method I am passing the language code and the country code. Similarly, after that there is a sized box. Again there is a raised button having the text as French. Here also in the on praised I am calling the change language method, but this time I am passing FR, and for the last one, that is the English, I am passing EN and US. Okay, now let me move to myController. Now in the myController class I have created the change language method which is taking the language code and the country code. This means the language code will be stored in param 1 and the country code will be stored in param 2. Okay, after that with these parameters I am creating the object of the local class. As you can see, where local equals to local, then param 1 param 2. Okay, and after that to update the local we need to use the update local method which has been provided by the GetX library, and in the update local method we are passing the local which we are creating. Okay, and that's why when we are clicking here on the button, at that time this change language method is calling, and based on the language code and the country code which we are passing, the corresponding message is retrieved from this message.dart, and that is displayed in the text widget. Okay, this is the entire code for the messages.dart. This is the code for my controller, and this is the code for main.dart. I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.